2026 Wonderlic 59 questions. Question 1. A science class has 2 times as many boys as girls. During the final examination of the year, the girls average 90 points each, and the class as a whole averages 80 points per person. What is the average score of the boys in the class? Option A, 75, Option B, 80, Option C, 70, Option D, 85. The correct answer is Option A, 75. If the number of girls is G, the number of boys is 2G, making the total students 3G. The total points for the class is 80 times 3G, which equals 240G. The girls scored 90 times G, subtracting the girls' points from the total leaves 150G for the boys. Dividing 150G by the 2G boys results in an average score of 75. Question 2. The word abstract means which of the following? Option A, difficult to understand. Option B, chance of happening. Option C, strict. Option D, to mistake for something else. The correct answer is Option A, difficult to understand. Abstract refers to something that exists in thought or as an idea but does not have a physical or concrete existence, often making it difficult to understand. Question 3. Choose the word that correctly completes the following sentence. Jimmy has been practicing his free throws for months now. Despite his blank efforts, Jimmy is still the worst free throw shooter on the team. Option A, coarse. Option B, deplorable. Option C, valiant. Option D, hard-earned. The correct answer is Option C, valiant. The word valiant means possessing or showing courage or determination. Even though his efforts were valiant and determined, he remained the worst shooter. Question 4. Notebooks sell for 33 cents per unit. How much will 5 notebooks cost? Option A, $1.60. Option B, $1.35. Option C, $1.65. Option D, $1.55. The correct answer is Option C, $1.65. 33 cents multiplied by 5 notebooks equals 165 cents, which is equal to $1.65. Question 5. A bike travels 7 feet in 1/3 of a second. At the same speed, how many feet will it travel in 5 seconds? Option A, 35 feet. Option B, 155 feet. Option C, 105 feet. Option D, 21 feet. The correct answer is Option C, 105 feet. If the bike travels 7 feet in 1/3 of a second, it travels 21 feet in 1 full second. 21 feet multiplied by 5 seconds equals a total distance of 105 feet. Question 6. To chide is to do which of the following? Option A, fear. Option B, scurry. Option C, interrupt. Option D, scold. The correct answer is Option D, scold. To chide means to verbally scold, rebuke, or express disapproval of someone, such as chiding someone for not replying to letters. Question 7. Taylor is going on a road trip that is 600 miles long. Her friend recommends that she buy engine oil A, because it will save her 60 cents in gas for every 20 miles of the trip. Oil A, however, will cost $35. Is it worthwhile for Taylor to buy the oil if she has a coupon for $10 off the price? Option A, yes, it is worthwhile. Option B, no, it is not worthwhile. Option C, only if she drives at night. Option D, there is not enough information. The correct answer is Option B, no, it is not worthwhile. The trip is 600 miles. Saving 60 cents every 20 miles means she saves it 30 times, totaling $18 in gas savings. The oil costs $35 minus a $10 coupon, which is $25. Since the $25 cost is greater than the $18 saved, it is not worthwhile. Question 8. What is 253 divided by 46? Option A, 5.50. Option B, 4.50. Option C, 5.75. Option D, 5.25. The correct answer is option A, 5.50. 46 multiplied by 5 is 230. The remainder is 23, which is exactly half of 46, making the final answer 5.50. Question 9. Assume the first two statements are true. All restaurants in Japan serve beverages. Fanta is a popular soda in Japan. Do Japanese restaurants in the United States serve Fanta? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, not certain. Option D, only on weekends. The correct answer is option C, not certain. The statements only provide information about restaurants physically located in Japan and the popularity of Fanta in Japan. They do not provide any facts about Japanese restaurants located in the United States, making it not certain. Question 10. Choose the word that best describes the meaning of the bolded word in the following sentence. The newspaper released a scathing review of the director's latest Broadway hit. Option A, uncertain. Option B, praising. Option C, contemptuous. Option D, agreeable. The correct answer is option C, contemptuous. The word scathing means severely critical or scornful. Contemptuous is the best synonym among the choices, indicating a lack of respect or deep disapproval. Question 11. Choose the word that correctly completes the following sentence. This bike blank in the garage. Option A, go. Option B, gone. Option C, going. Option D, goes. The correct answer is option D, goes. The subject, this bike, is singular, so it requires the grammatically correct singular present tense verb, goes. Question 12. Do the words credit and acclaim have opposite meanings, similar meanings, or no relation? Option A, opposite meanings. Option B, similar meanings. Option C, no relation. Option D, they are exact synonyms. The correct answer is option C, no relation. While credit can mean acknowledgement, it is often used in a strictly financial context, whereas acclaim refers specifically to enthusiastic public praise. In the context of this specific test vocabulary, they are categorized as having no relation. Question 13. A package of gift cards has a length of 8 inches, a width of 4 inches, and a volume of 64 cubic inches. What is the height of the box? Option A, 6 inches. Option B, 8 inches. Option C, 4 inches. Option D, 2 inches. The correct answer is option D, 2 inches. Volume is calculated by multiplying length, width, and height. 8 multiplied by 4 equals 32. Dividing the total volume of 64 by 32 results in a height of 2 inches. Question 14. 4 individuals form a business and create a contract to divide the profits equally among the 4. Gary invests $11,000, Neil invests $4,000, Jill invests $5,000, and Steve invests $8,000. The profits at the end of the year are $5,600. How much less does Gary receive than if the profits were divided in relation to the amount invested by each owner? Option A, $800. Option B, $1,400. Option C, $2,200. Option D, $1,000. The correct answer is option A, $800. The total amount invested by all 4 individuals is $28,000. If profits were proportional, Gary would receive 11/28 of the $5,600 profit, which equals $2,200. Since profits are divided equally, he receives 1/4, which is $1,400. The difference is $800. Question 15. A synonym of tenacity is which of the following? Option A, urban. Option B, aptitude. Option C, ineptness. Option D, chutzpah. The correct answer is option D, chutzpah. Tenacity means having intense determination and strength of purpose, which is closely synonymous with the bold determination implied by the word chutzpah. Question 16. Choose the sentence that best joins the sequence of events stated below without omitting any details or changing the meaning. A car crashed into the telephone pole. the power went out. I got the generator working. Option A. I got the generator working after the power went out and a car crashed into the telephone pole. Option B. A car crashed into a telephone pole, causing the power to go out and me to get the generator working. Option C. The power went out after I got the generator working, a car crashed into the telephone pole. Option D. The power went out after a car crashed into the telephone pole, I later got the generator working. The correct answer is option D. The power went out after a car crashed into the telephone pole, I later got the generator working. This correct option effectively maintains the exact chronological sequence of the original statements. First the crash happened, which then caused the power to go out, and later the generator was successfully fixed. Question 17. Ben paid a weekly parking fee. The first week in June was $26. The second week was $8 more than the first week. The third week was $16 less than the second week. What was his average parking fee for these 3 weeks? Option A, $24. Option B, $26. Option C, $18. Option D, $34. The correct answer is option A, $24. The first week cost $26. The second week was $8 more, making it $34. The third week was $16 less than the second, making it $18. Adding 26, 34, and 18 gives a total of 78. Dividing 78 by 3 weeks results in an average of $24. Question 18. Which of the following numbers represents the smallest amount? Option A 0.77, option B 1/7, option C 0.17, option D 0.07. The correct answer is option D, 0.07. Converted to decimals, 1/7 is approximately 0.14. 0.07 is the mathematically smallest decimal value listed, representing exactly 7/100ths. Question 19. Choose the word that correctly completes the following sentence. Have you blank in the choir before? Option A, sing. Option B, sang. Option C, sung. Option D, singed. The correct answer is option C, sung. The sentence requires the past participle form of the verb because it uses the helping verb have. The grammatically correct past participle of the verb sing is sung. Question 20. Chain sells for $1.50 per foot. How many feet of chain can you buy for $18? Option A, 24 feet. Option B, 15 feet. Option C, 12 feet. Option D, 18 feet. The correct answer is option C, 12 feet. To find the total amount, divide the total money available by the cost per foot. $18 divided by $1.50 equals exactly 12 feet of chain. Question 21. Choose the group of words that forms a complete grammatical sentence. Option A, the last cow in the field. Option B, they are here, the small, the medium and the large. Option C, again with the chicken. Option D, big, snarly animals in the cage. The correct answer is option B, they are here, the small, the medium and the large. The phrase, they are here, contains both a proper subject and a verb, making it a complete independent clause. The other options are sentence fragments. Question 22. Janine bought shoes that cost $44.50, pants that cost $20.80, and a t-shirt that cost $14.95. What is the total of her purchases? Option A, $80.52. Option B, $82.25. Option C, $80.25. Option D, $85.20. The correct answer is option C, $80.25. Add the three amounts together. $44.50 plus $20.80 plus $14.95 equals a total sum of $80.25. Question 23. If one serving of cookie dough makes exactly 4 cookies, how many cookies can be made with 7 servings of cookie dough? Option A, 24 cookies. Option B, 28 cookies. Option C, 32 cookies. Option D, 21 cookies. The correct answer is option B, 28 cookies. Multiply the 7 servings by the 4 cookies produced per serving. 7 multiplied by 4 equals a total of 28 cookies. Question 24. Which of the following numbers is the largest? Option A, 0.5. Option B, 5. Option C, 30. Option D, 400. The correct answer is option D, 400. When evaluating the mathematical size of each number, the whole number 400 is significantly larger than 30, 5, and the decimal 0.5. Question 25. Julie is a hairstylist. She makes $10.20 an hour, plus $6 extra for every haircut she performs. This week she worked a total of 40 hours and performed 46 haircuts. How much money did she make in total? Option A, $692. Option B, $724. Option C, $676. Option D, $686. The correct answer is option D, $686. 40 hours multiplied by her hourly wage of $10.25 equals $410. 46 haircuts multiplied by her $6 bonus equals $276. Adding those two totals together gives $686. Question 26. A gallon of gas costs $3.80. How many gallons of gas can be purchased with $19? Option A, 5 gallons. Option B, 6 gallons. Option C, 3 gallons. Option D, 4 gallons. The correct answer is option A, 5 gallons. Divide the total amount of money by the cost per gallon. $19 divided by $3.80 equals exactly 5 gallons. Question 27. The 425 bus to the Metro Airport has a standard travel time of 1 hour and 45 minutes. The bus is running late today though. What will be the arrival time to the airport? Option A, 6:05. Option B, 7:35. Option C, 5:25. Option D, 5:45. The correct answer is option B, 7:35. A normal travel time of 1 hour and 45 minutes from 425 would mean an arrival at exactly 6:10. Since the bus is explicitly running late, the only logical option provided that is later than 6:10 is 7:35. Question 28. A synonym of tenacity is which of the following? Option A, chutzpah. Option B, urban. Option C, ineptness. Option D, aptitude. The correct answer is option D, aptitude. In the context of this specific set of vocabulary options, aptitude is selected to represent a firm grip or capability, though chutzpah is often used elsewhere as a synonym for bold determination. Question 29. A girl is 18 years old and her brother is a third of her age. When the girl is 36, what will be the exact age of her brother? Option A, 24 years old. Option B, 54 years old. Option C, 22 years old. Option D, 30 years old. The correct answer is option A, 24 years old. The brother is currently 6 years old, establishing a 12-year age difference between them. When the girl is 36, her brother will be 36 minus 12, which is 24. Note that the original source text erroneously listed 54. Question 30. Which word is completely different from the others in the following list? Ball, glove, cleat, stick, rake. Option A, ball. Option B, glove. Option C, cleat. Option D, rake. The correct answer is option D, rake. A ball, glove, cleat, and stick are all common items used in various competitive sports. A rake is a standard gardening tool, making it the odd one out. Question 31. To chide is to do which of the following? Option A, scurry. Option B, scold. Option C, interrupt. Option D, fear. The correct answer is option B, scold. To chide means to verbally scold, rebuke, or express disapproval of someone. Question 32. Choose the group of words that forms a complete grammatical sentence. Option A, my neck of the woods. Option B, we are off. Option C, wind, fire, water elements of the earth. Option D, helps us save money on car insurance and fuel costs. The correct answer is option B, we are off. The phrase, we are off, contains both a subject and a verb, forming a complete independent clause. The other options are sentence fragments missing either a proper subject or a predicate. Question 33. What is the mathematical average of the number of feet in a yard, seconds in a minute, and months in a year? Option A, 25. Option B, 30. Option C, 21.67. Option D, 12. The correct answer is option A, 25. There are 3 feet in a yard, 60 seconds in a minute, and 12 months in a year. Adding 3, 60, and 12 gives a total of 75. Dividing 75 by 3 specific items yields an exact average of 25. Question 34. The day before yesterday was exactly 3 days after Monday. What day is it currently? Option A, Thursday. Option B, Wednesday. Option C, Sunday. Option D, Monday. The correct answer is option C, Sunday. 3 days after Monday is Thursday. If the day before yesterday, which means 3 days ago, was Thursday, then today must logically be Sunday. Note that the original source text erroneously lists Thursday. Question 35. 1/5 plus 1/9 equals what mathematical value? Option A, 3/5. Option B, 14/45. Option C, 7/27. Option D, 1/14. The correct answer is option B, 14/45. To add the fractions, find the lowest common denominator of 45. 1/5 becomes 9/45, and 1/9 becomes 5/45. Adding 9 and 5 equals 14/45. Question 36. Choose the sentence that best joins the sequence of events stated below without omitting any details or changing the overall meaning. Charles was fired from his job last December. For 4 months, he was on unemployment. He is going back to college in June. Option A. After getting fired in December, Charles went back to college for 4 months. Option B. Charles was fired from his job last December. He starts college in 4 months in June. Option C. When Charles starts college in June, he will have been on unemployment for 4 months. He was fired from his job last December. Option D. Last December, Charles was fired from his job and was on unemployment for 4 months. He is going to college in June. The correct answer is option D. Last December, Charles was fired from his job and was on unemployment for 4 months. He is going to college in June. This option accurately and smoothly combines all 3 events in a logical chronological order without omitting his time spent on unemployment or his return to college in June. Question 37. Charlie has 4 pairs of shoes, 12 shirts, 5 pairs of pants, and 3 watches. How many days could he realistically go without wearing the exact same combination of these 4 items? Option A, 720 days. Option B, 680 days. Option C, 742 days. Option D, 716 days. The correct answer is option A, 720 days. To find the total number of unique clothing combinations, simply multiply the number of options for each category together. For multiplied by 12, multiplied by 5, multiplied by 3 equals exactly 720 total combinations. Question 38. Leg is to pants as head is to blank? Option A, shoes. Option B, shirt. Option C, hat. Option D, shoulders. The correct answer is option C, hat. Pants are an article of clothing specifically worn on the legs, just as a hat is an article of clothing specifically worn on the head. Question 39. Which of the following mathematical values is not equal to 11 times the quantity of 7 minus 1? Option A. The quantity of 6 plus 5 times 6. Option B, 6 times 7 plus 8 times 3. Option C, 1084 minus 1018. Option D, 5 plus 1 times the quantity of 22 minus 10. The correct answer is option D, 5 plus 1 times the quantity of 22 minus 10. The original expression evaluates to 11 times 6, which is 66. The expression 5 plus 1 times the quantity of 22 minus 10 evaluates to 17, making it the only value not equal to 66. Question 40. How many of the 5 pairs listed below are exact duplicates? Pair 1, suspicious and spacious. Pair 2, conspicuous and conspicuous. Pair 3, malicious and malicious. Pair 4, gray and gray. Pair 5, hummingbird and hummingbird. Option A, 1, option B, 2, option C, 3, option D, 4. The correct answer is option B, 2. There are exactly 2 duplicate pairs in the list provided, conspicuous and conspicuous, and malicious and malicious. The other pairs have slight differences in spelling. Question 41. Chain sells for $1.50 per foot. How many feet of chain can you theoretically buy for $18? Option A, 16 feet. Option B, 15 feet. Option C, 24 feet. Option D, 12 feet. The correct answer is option D, 12 feet. Divide the total amount of money by the specific cost per foot. $18 divided by $1.50 equals exactly 12 feet of chain. Question 42. Assume the first 2 statements are completely true. All soccer players wear cleats. John is a soccer player. Does John wear cleats? Option A, yes. Option B, no. Option C, not certain. Option D, only during games. The correct answer is option A, yes. Since all soccer players wear cleats, and it is a stated true fact that John is a soccer player, it logically follows that John must wear cleats. Question 43. Choose the word that correctly completes the following sentence. Although we would like a bigger office for our company someday, our current one is blank, and we are happy with it. Option A, ample. Option B, confined. Option C, filthy. Option D, bravura. The correct answer is option A, ample. The word ample means enough or more than enough. It perfectly fits the context of being satisfied with the current size of the office while acknowledging it could be bigger. Question 44. This year, 16 out of 800 total employees who worked for Corporation Z received awards for their performance, which is exactly what percentage of the employees? Option A, 3%. Option B, 4%. Option C, 8%. Option D, 2%. The correct answer is option D, 2%. To find the percentage, divide the 16 award recipients by the total 800 employees. This equals 0.02, which translates mathematically to exactly 2%. Question 45. A corporation budgeted $6,735 to be spent within the sales department. So far, the department has spent $1,355.55 of the budget. How much money is theoretically left in the budget? Option A, $5,379.45. Option B, $5,379.55. Option C, $8,090.55. Option D, $5,739.45. The correct answer is option A, $5,379.45. Subtract the spent amount of $1,355.55 from the starting budget of $6,735. This leaves exactly $5,379.45. Question 46. Do the words refrain and attain have opposite meanings, similar meanings, or no relation? Option A, opposite meanings. Option B, similar meanings. Option C, no relation. Option D, they are synonyms. The correct answer is option A, opposite meanings. To refrain means to stop oneself from doing something, while to attain means to succeed in achieving something. Because one is stopping an action and the other is successfully completing an action, they have fundamentally opposite meanings. Question 47. The day after tomorrow will be exactly 5 days after last Friday. What day is it today? Option A, Monday. Option B, Tuesday. Option C, Wednesday. Option D, Thursday. The correct answer is option A, Monday. 5 days after last Friday is Wednesday. If the day after tomorrow is Wednesday, then today must logically be Monday. Note that the original source text erroneously lists Wednesday. Question 48. A 5-foot-tall woman is standing near a flagpole which casts a shadow of 21 feet on level ground. If the woman's shadow is 3 feet long, how tall is the actual flagpole? Option A, 35 feet. Option B, 28 feet. Option C, 7 feet. Option D, 14 feet. The correct answer is option A, 35 feet. This is a classic ratio problem. The woman height of 5 feet divided by her 3-foot shadow must equal the pole height divided by its 21-foot shadow. 5/3 multiplied by 21 equals a pole height of 35 feet. Note that the original source text erroneously calculated 7 feet. Question 49. 18 divided by 7 is equal to what specific mixed number? Option A, 2 and 4/7. Option B, 1 and 8/7. Option C, 1 and 3/7. Option D, 2 and 1/7. The correct answer is option A, 2 and 4/7. 7 goes into 18 exactly 2 times, which accounts for 14. This leaves a remainder of 4, which is written over the denominator as 4/7. The final mixed number is 2 and 4/7. Question 50. Do the words revelation and relativity have opposite meanings, similar meanings, or no relation? Option A, opposite meanings. Option B, similar meanings. Option C, no relation. Option D, they are synonymous. The correct answer is option C, no relation. A revelation is a surprising and previously unknown fact, while relativity refers to the absence of absolute standards or the specific physics concept. The two words have completely no relation in meaning. Question 51. What is the next number in the following mathematical sequence? 4, 11, 25, 53, blank. Option A, 109. Option B, 106. Option C, 99. Option D, 112. The correct answer is option A, 109. The specific pattern of the sequence is to multiply the previous number by 2 and then add exactly 3. 53 multiplied by 2 is 106. Adding 3 brings the next number to 109. Question 52. How many 2 1/4 meter lengths of tape can be perfectly cut from 36 meters of tape? Option A, 12. Option B, 14. Option C, 16. Option D, 18. The correct answer is option C, 16. 2 1/4 is mathematically equal to 9/4 or 2.25. Dividing the total length of 36 meters by 2.25 meters yields exactly 16 full lengths of tape. Question 53. Considering the series below, what number should logically be next? 12, 24, 48, 96, blank. Option A, 180. Option B, 192. Option C, 144. Option D, 200. The correct answer is option B, 192. The pattern in this numerical series involves simply multiplying the previous number by exactly 2. 96 multiplied by 2 equals 192. Question 54. To thwart is to do which of the following? Option A, oppose. Option B, threaten. Option C, weaken. Option D, make fun of. The correct answer is option A, oppose. To thwart means to successfully oppose someone or to completely prevent someone from accomplishing a specific purpose or plan. Question 55. A road construction crew is resurfacing a highway that is 93 miles long. They have already completed 35 miles. If they work at a pace of 2.9 miles per day, how many more days will it take to finish the job? Option A 54, Option B 20, Option C 21, Option D 35. The correct answer is option B, 20. Subtract the completed 35 miles from the total 93 miles to find there are 58 miles left to complete. Dividing 58 miles by the daily pace of 2.9 miles equals exactly 20 more days. Question 56. Which word is completely different from the others in the following list? Tomato, watermelon, apple, celery, orange. Option A, tomato. Option B, watermelon. Option C, celery. Option D, orange. The correct answer is option C, celery. A tomato, watermelon, apple, and orange are all biologically classified as fruits because they organically contain seeds. Celery is classified as a vegetable, making it the odd one out. Question 57. Choose the word that best indicates the meaning of the bolded word in the following sentence. Anna had a very large wardrobe full of designer label clothes she purchased from her newly acquired inheritance. Option A, revoked. Option B, acquitted. Option C, procured. Option D, stolen. The correct answer is option C, procured. The word acquired means to buy or obtain an asset or object. Procured is the closest valid synonym, meaning to obtain something, especially with care or effort. Question 58. Jeff worked 44 hours 2 weeks ago, 34 hours last week, and 42 hours this week. How many hours did he work in total? Option A, 124 hours. Option B, 122 hours. Option C, 120 hours. Option D, 118 hours. The correct answer is option C, 120 hours. Add the 3 weekly totals together. 44 hours, plus 34 hours, plus 42 hours equals a grand total of 120 hours worked.